top form. Top form. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, man tell the chef hurry.
Hi guys, welcome back again. Rakisha is now here. This is my lovely wife Rakisha, and we are the Gordonz. What up guys, welcome back to our channel. And today, I'm here, here's truly Raquemardon, and I'm going to react to Rakisha's photo. So in our last video, you can click here to see that video. We're not here. Okay. Somewhere up anywhere here. So you can click here to see or here to see the last video. So Rakisha react to my old photos, which wasn't bad. As you know, I'm a very cute handsome guy.
What?
Yes. So if you want to see the real disaster, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Now share this video because we need to get this video viral. We need to get this video viral. So without any more talking, let's dive into this. So let's dive. Okay, so first on the screen. My, to me, let me just hold my breath. Relax, babes, because this is gonna be a rocky ride for you.
No.
So, okay. First, right?
Guys, these are old photos.
Guys, these are not old
back.
photos. These are photos take 2011. I'm not gonna pretty anything up. I want people to know where you're coming from and where you're at now. So, first, I don't even recognize Rakisha right here. As you can see, I'm not gonna put this in a corner. I want this in your face. Boom. So look at it, guys. You see?
What?
What's that in her hand? Look how that ain't Rakisha.
What do you mean?
That's not Rakisha.
Of course, my brother.
That's your sister.
What that mean? How comes? I mean, that is me, guys. I woke up one morning. I felt cute. My brother was kicking around the football. So I said, "Let me take one picture of the football." And I'm bed slippers and everything. Carry on.
Okay. Moving on. You know the worst thing about this photo, guys? The worst thing about this photo is that this was in college. You're supposed to be hot.
This is in college?
Yes, this is in college. Look at the time, look at the date. You're supposed to be
Guys,
hot.
that was just...
She was trying. I understand.
Look! I don't know what happened here. So
Looking back at this photo, just telling me how you feel now.
I feel very embarrassed.
Why would you
All
feel
these
embarrassed?
photos are embarrassing.
Why would you feel
But
embarrassed?
anyways, because we look weird. Like, why we look so weird?
It's actually you.
It is, but...
Next year or 3 years from now, when you're looking back at this video, we're gonna look weird. We're gonna say, what? That's
yeah,
how we look?
but this look weird.
I know we think that we're top of the game right now.
But this blouse, I'm still wearing this blouse. I'm still happy.
Yes,
I'm still cute.
mine.
2011.
You're
But look,
such
so
a
darling.
child.
Yes, I was.
And still is.
Whatever.
Moving on. Okay, so this one it's not bad. To be honest, I can see very nice. If I was back in those days, I would definitely.
If you was back.
Yeah, if I was there in those times, I would definitely call to her. And my call to is not that easy. Once I call to you, I really like you. Like, hey, can I get a word with you, please? Yeah, just to tell you how beautiful you are, and that's it. Nothing else. You're just beautiful, and walk away.
All right, whatever. I'm just saying, like, we.
Just say beautiful and I say thanks.
No, I said no thanks.
Really? Somebody come there and say you're beautiful?
I know.
I'm just walking.
This is my really?
Yes, really.
Let's say, I know that I'm beautiful. Bye.
But by the time you say bye, we disappear already.
Alright. Next picture.
Okay, as you can see again, she's in college. This one is not bad. The shades are they look expensive. They're bigger than her face by far. Her face is slim. Well, the bump run by the weird is not that big, it's small.
We did a body and shape. It's just because of the angle of the picture. May look like flat.
Well, you can see she was a very, very nice
Yes.
girl. And
I
still
am.
is.
I am.
Yeah. So, But guys, if you like this video so far, don't forget guys to stop this video now and click the like button, click the bell notification, subscribe to our channel and share this video at the same time, because trust me, we want this video to go viral.
Why? Why yours to go viral too anyways?
Okay, moving on. Alright, I'm gonna put a picture right here. This is our brother. And this is Rakisha. You tell me the difference.
This is me. What do you mean? You know, like when I feel gangster, like word, like whatever. Somebody you feel the heart and the glasses, they just look. My top dog.
Well,
Yep.
it's Rakisha.
I was a confident person.
Where's all that confidence?
I still have it.
You sure?
Though.
Okay.
What?
Elaborate for me, babes.
I don't marry yet.
I can't react to this.
This was, alright, let me tell you, this was around the time of Christmas when the place cool. In Jamaica, when it comes to Christmas, sometimes, like back then, Christmas used to cool. Like real cool.
This one is much older than the one that we looked at before, because this is 2010. So she was a little 1 year younger than before the other pictures. As you can see in this photo, everything looks okay back then. But in this moment, nothing looks okay. The dressing is not okay.
Look,
nothing is okay about this.
guys, it's not like I was going out to a big outing. It was just to the ice cream shop. Like a few blocks are so away. Like.
So as you can see, Rakisha is in her father's slippers, going out.
No.
As you can see, these are the dressing that you wear to a nice party.
What do you mean father slippers?
What slippers?
Which pair slippers?
Slippers then, see you told everybody just.
I was not in no slippers, I was in a shoes.
So guys,
I remember what we did in that.
you see, but this is the future. This is.
I was so skinny. Look at my neck one. See if it's still there. Kinda still.
Don't think say married, Alice.
But no, look here. Don't come with your nonsense on this video.
Moving on. So as you can see, she's very sexy. She's nice.
I'm a decent
Yes.
person. And this was like a nice dress outfit to go out in those times.
Yeah.
So don't come for me.
Nice. This one is not bad, but
Could be better.
could be better. No, this is no top class dressing in the past. As I said before, this is the same picture, and this is very nice up front, very sweet, round wear, round ass, nice face.
So I always had body.
Natural ears, no, nice.
Hair still natural.
And in this picture, Rakisha wasn't wearing any makeup, any at
I'm
all.
still not wearing no. I'm not wearing any.
I like seeing her without makeup. Trust me, she's so beautiful without makeup. And when she have her makeup, just like the same.
Beautiful. That's
No, just remain the same.
So I said no, like I'm not still beautiful with makeup.
No, when you're without makeup, you're more beautiful.
Can we have this conversation off camera,
No.
please, Dan?
On camera. Moving on. Okay. Again. Let's go back to the past.
Alright, nobody gonna tell me nothing here, so.
Exactly. So hold on.
Nobody could tell me.
Let me fix my story. Hold on, people. Let's go back to the past. To the past. All right. Now we're in the past. This is a top class dressing. In the past.
Of course, back then a skirt and tights they wear.
Okay. Let's go to the future. Hey guys, welcome back to the future. So what is this when my battery is low? Right? So this dressing is still wears, you know, guys. Don't get it wrong. People still wear dress like this with tights and skirt. People not dress up.
No, which part?
We can people do dressing.
Not no. But back then this was the bomb. This is one bomb as well. No, but don't joke. Look at my apple bottom shoes.
Apple bottom.
These shoes cost 6 grand.
6 grand.
My mother find 6 grand for belly. I was a good kid. Everything. So my mother, you know, like, she say, alright, what you want? Book. I want my shoes and mommy. Mommy, get me my shoes. Nobody could tell me nothing back then. But the arts are up and they look really good. What does you mean?
Okay.
Next.
Moving on again to the past. So, nice girl in school doing her chores of education. I don't know.
This was just a study. We did in a library. Some study some and some.
You were getting the acts together. That's all. And that's a good thing. Like seeing this. I used to this face than this face. You see guys, look, transformation. This to this.
It was in the same time still, so what
So
did you mean?
moving on.
Yes, this was me.
Nice educated girl receiving her award for the most outstanding girl of all time. Of all time. So as you can see, you can even see the gift because it's very unique gift.
I was graduating from high school.
Long
The
hair.
St. Hilda's Diocesan High School. Thank you.
What's these? They're missing from now. Oh, here they are. They're really shiny there.
Fatty
I
cheese.
like them. Let me see something.
Wait, no, but I done. Cam, no. No, you don't do. Please help me! Ew!
Where the buy?
Ah.
So, those are fatty cheeks. Apple. And last year,
Wait, 2011.
2011, guys.
This was a costume day.
I thought it was a cheerleading clothes.
It is costume cheerleading.
No, I thought it was sports day at St. Hilda's where you were wearing
No,
your cheerleading clothes.
it was a costume day, and I decided to wear my cheerleading outfit.
So were you a cheerleader?
Yes, I was.
Give us a demonstration of the camera. EPR, yeah, we go now. Vote for the Gordonz. We can do it. Let's do it now.
Alright.
So, Rakisha was a cheerleader. Can you believe that? I never knew that. I never knew.
Yes, I told you that I was cheerleader.
So can you-
hurt me knee
can you
or
flick?
something. Can't remember something now.
Can you walk on your hand?
I could split. I could do the what do you call it? Crab.
Crab in a barrel?
Crab, and then I could do. No, what's some other stuff.
Okay.
Next case.
Well, we're not seeing the full picture. We need to see that full picture.
What happened? This was a cute picture.
Pumpkin! Food ready yet? Huh?
What do you mean?
I go over Miss Pansy shop and get some mackerel for me.
Your name? I was going to church.
Call Puncinella too. And call Miss Ivy tell me we have a church.
This was a church outfit, so.
Okay, well,
Be cute.
yeah. It just look Puncinella type. I don't know. Well,
That was back then.
Not bad, not
Really
bad.
cute. This
Yeah.
outfit was cute. What do you mean?
Not bad.
Next.
Hot girl, skin up her face. What are you skin up your face for?
I don't know. I just wanted to do that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is not bad. I really like her hair. It's very, very nice. I always like see your natural hair. It turns me on. Trust me. Okay, so hot girl.
I love this picture. I wanted to frame it down. I'm gonna get it to frame it down. I love this picture.
Well,
This was the picture of the picture.
of the year. This one, as you can see, this one was taken with a different camera. As you can see, the
All of
quality.
them.
This one different.
I don't know
So
what it is.
this one different by far. I can see the quality different. It show more.
My shoes in bomb. Like everybody did want my shoes.
Pretty
Where buy
nice.
shoes? Where buy shoes?
It's nice.
Ask my mama. I don't know.
It's nice.
I don't know.
So, guys, I think that's it.
Is that last picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So give your brief overview.
so, guys, what do you think about Rakisha photo? If you guys see this video and it's very funny, let us know. If you want to see more hidden photos like these, I can find them.
No.
Worse than these, let me know.
No, say no, guys.
Please just say yes. So I will get them for you, even do them by myself for the Rakisha opinion, and I react to them. It was such a fun thing to watch my
To do.
baby in the past.
A blast from the past. An ugly blast from the past.
They're not ugly, they're just funny. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. What to do, Rakisha?
Hit that subscribe button, ensure that the notification bell is turned on, ensure that you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, your family, everybody who want to laugh, put a smile on somebody's face, and leave a comment down below. If you are watching, leave a comment. Use the heart eyes, the fire emoji, all those nice emojis, the laughing emoji. Do that, guys. We really appreciate it. And ensure that you follow us on all our social media. They are down below in the description, or they are on the screen here for your cool rest.
So,